Cerise will clear, but you probably already knew that. Now, we're about Caroline, what hour are we on? We're at hour something or other. 4. I think hour 4. Yeah. We've done nothing different except
Exploding Kittens.
Oh, it's that game. Say hi, everybody. This is Jack. So how's the game going? Who's winning?
You don't win.
You don't. You don't
It's
win?
just mass
don't
chaos.
How does this game work then? Care to explain?
Well, you don't you can't tell who's winning.
Yeah.
I mean, unless I saw her cards, I wouldn't know who's winning.
Then how do you know who wins the game in the end?
Whoever dies.
I know. What?
Whoever dies loses.
Who just had that diffused?
Well, that's a weird thing. They've been over there. I played a bit of Mario Kart with Colton. Inside Out's still going on. And these guys are discussing the game.
Either start off with 4 diffuses. If you get an exploding kitten, you just start off with 1 less card. You put it into the deck and you start off with 1 less card. Suicide.
Jack, how many?
How dare you, Jack? How dare you follow
Let's
us?
see how many diffusers you got here. Yeah.
So the game's going pretty well, apparently, from what I can see. Because everyone has a lot of cards. That's good, right?
Huh?
Let me see.
Everyone has a lot of cards. That's good.
Okay.
Wait, did he just take one of your cards?
Yeah, because he can.
He can do that?
Yes.
What kind of game is this? What if you put your cards in a specific order and he knows which order they're in?
Can I get a favor?
What cards do you have there, Caroline? Care to tell? Hey Jack, what cards do you have there? Care to tell us? It's not like it's gonna make you lose or anything. It's not like it's gonna make you lose, right, Caroline? He's just gonna say what cards he has.
All the exploding kittens are coming out from where we put them in.
What do exploding kittens mean?
You die.
So then the game's over?
Death. If you don't have enough lives to spare yourself from
Why is it a black bar?
Because my phones are broken. Great, you just pointed out that the said that's all we've been doing. I'll tune